want you to at me. At me. At me, sis. At me. What's up, guys? So I'm back with a video, and today I'm going to be sharing my unpopular opinions. And nobody asked, but I'm gonna share them anyway. Let's remember that opinions are opinions, not facts. I mean, they might as well be facts, but they're my opinions, and if you don't agree with them, then we can agree to disagree. Food. Watermelons are nasty. I have my book right here because I wrote down some stuff. Watermelons are disgusting. I never liked watermelons. I don't understand the hype at all. Why? Who came up with that one? Why? Barbecue wings are better than hot wings. 𝖓𝖏𝖘𝖎. Barbecue wings are better than hot wings, okay? Thank you. Don't argue with me. Barbecue wings are better. Okay? Y'all be hyping hot wings. Like, hot wings are just buffalo sauce. Like, barbecue wings have everything. Like, it's sweet, it's good, it's delicious, it's better. That's it for the food. How did I forget? Coconut water and sparkling water are disgusting. Disgusting! Especially coconut water. Like, coconut water, literally, I saw this post once and it said coconut water tastes like water that's been in somebody else's mouth. It says exactly what it tastes like. Like, if I was to know what that tastes like, because I don't. That's freaking disgusting, but that's how I would imagine it to taste like. Yes. Fashion. Gucci and other luxurious brands are overrated. Okay, first of all, Gucci is canceled, and I'm gonna get to the whole canceling culture in a second, so I'm kind of going back on what I'm about to say. But Gucci is canceled, and I just feel like any like piece from a luxurious brand where it's just all logo, that's not cute. That's not a fit. That's just you not knowing how to dress. Like, you just see it and it has the name all over it, so you think it's popping. You think it's like that's just a fit. No, it's not. You don't know how to dress. I'm sorry. It's tacky. There's some that's cute. There's some that, like, people who actually know how to dress and can style things, they're styling in a different way. But for the most part, I just no. And yes, you can try to say, oh, you're just saying it's overrated because you can't afford it. Well, that's true, I can't, but it's still overrated. Fashion Nova is overrated. Fashion Nova is canceled, okay? I never liked Fashion Nova, to be honest. I was never that. I've only ever ordered from Fashion Nova once in my life. Fashion Nova has just always rubbed me the wrong way. I just feel like they've been overhyped from the jump. YouTube. A couple channels are annoying. I don't even think that's an unpopular opinion, because I feel like a lot of people are starting to think this, but couples channels are annoying, especially the ones that you can tell like they literally just got together yesterday just for the specific reason of making a channel to make money. That's annoying. YouTube and social media, Instagram, everything has really played into the whole body image, self-esteem thing, where like girls think they have to go and get their bodies done, reconstructed, and it's become a norm now. Like, oh guys, hey, so I just got a nose job, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm gonna show you guys the process and my journey, and like, yeah, I got my butt done, my BBL, how it changed my life. Like, I don't know, I feel like there's a lot more to say. I don't want to get into it right now, but I just feel like it's become a norm. Like, there's nothing wrong. I don't want to bash people who get work done. Like, do you. It's your body. Do it. You do what you want. It's not affecting me. But it's just become normal on YouTube. A lot of these influencers think that it's just the thing to do. Like, it's like part of the process of being an influencer. Like, oh yeah, you get a ring light, or being a YouTuber, you get a ring light, okay, you get a nice setup, you get a nice camera, okay, you get followers, you get subscribers, you get a nose job, you get your butt done, you get your boobs done. It's just part of the process. Like, it all falls in line. Like, it's just part of it. And it's like a lot of them use just it as an excuse. Like, oh yeah, I always wanted it. I always wanted this, even when I was 5. And don't get me wrong, like, you probably did. But don't act like YouTube hasn't played a part in it, or social media in general hasn't played a part in influencing the way you think and perceive yourself, or how you feel you should look. Beauty. So I only have one for this one right now, and that is that acrylics ain't worth it. And I know, like, yo, y'all gonna come for me for this one, but I just feel like acrylics are not worth it. Like, the fact that after you take them off, your nails are brittle thin. I got acrylics done I think 3 times in my life, and I hated it each time. I loved it while I had it, but once I took it off, it was like, why do I do this? Why would I ever want to do this again? Like, I like my natural nails. My natural nails are disgusting right now, but they get pretty long. It's just this hand that doesn't grow that much. It grows slower, but this hand is always growing like fast and long. So I like long nails. I love long nails, and I love the look that acrylics give. I just hate the aftermath of it. I hate it. I'd much rather wear my natural nails, or put some press-ons, like glue, and just glue it on there, and that's it, and take it off when I'm tired of it. I don't know, maybe I'm going to the wrong people. Okay, so I know I just said Gucci and Fashion Nova was canceled, but I feel like cancel culture is canceled. Like, cancel culture is not it. Like, people are just so quick to cancel anything and everything and everybody, like, just because of one thing. And don't get me wrong, like, there's certain people who do need to be canceled. Like it's not acceptable at all. Like, there's no middle ground here. It's just, you're done, you're canceled, that's it. But I just feel like in today's age, everything is just like, oh, you did that, canceled. Oh, that, canceled. And sometimes they'll just be canceling things for the sake of canceling it. Like, there's no real reason, or no good reason, legitimate reason to cancel it. It's just because that's not the wave no more, or you found something that was better, so now the other thing is canceled. Like, no, I bought this gel instead of 𝖚𝖚𝖚𝖚𝑘𝖚 and I like this gel, but is 𝖚𝖚𝖚𝖚𝑘𝖚 canceled? No, it's not. At least not for me, because I didn't see anything that it was doing to me that crazy that I have to cancel it. Like, if I don't have no gel and I go to my friend's house and all she has is 𝖚𝖚𝖚𝖚𝑘𝖚 and I'm trying to get a bun like this, I'm gonna say, no, I can't use that because it's 𝖚𝖚𝖚𝖚𝑘𝖚, it's canceled. Cancel culture is canceled. Another opinion that relates to the whole cancel culture thing, we need to keep the same energy for certain things, or different people, or different scenarios or events, because a lot of people are like, for example, R. Kelly is canceled, this so-and-so is canceled, Kodak Black is canceled, but then your fave is not canceled. You're still standing your fave. Your fave, oh, that's different. That, it's not the same. No, you can't compare it. Where's that energy? Where's that, oh, he's canceled? Where's that energy? What happened? Oh, so we switch up for different people. Okay. Alright, next unpopular opinion, standing ain't it. Standing people, standing celebrities, whoever, why do you do that? Like, don't get me wrong, I have my faves. I have people that I love, that I rock with, that I fuck with all the time, that I'm like, oh yeah, I'll like anything he drops. But I'm not standing, like I'm not like die hard, like oh my gosh, I'll defend you to the death of me. Like the hell is wrong with you? Beehive, the people in the beehive, they go crazy, okay? They go crazy. Or like your favorite YouTuber or whoever, it's just like y'all be defending them like you grew up with them from day one, like they were your sister or your family or something. Like you don't know them, you think you know them, you only know what they show you, you don't know them. So why are you out here like, why? Like death threats? Some of y'all are crazy, I swear. A lot of people are crazy when it comes to like defending their favorite celebrity, musician, whoever, YouTuber, beauty influencer. Y'all crazy. Fortnite is trash, and it's probably because I just don't like Fortnite. I can't really play that well, but even if I could, like, I don't like Fortnite. I don't want to hear about it no more. And I'm talking about it right now, even though I said I don't want to hear about it no more, but it's just one of those things that's overhyped, and here we go again with stealing shit, copyright, all this stuff, stealing these dance moves. The fact that like little kids are walking around doing these dance moves and they're being called the Fortnite dance irks my soul. Like, how the hell could you call the Carlton the Fortnite dance? Or how the hell could you call, yo, can you imagine if they put chicken noodle soup dance on there and they start calling it a Fortnite dance? I don't think chicken noodle soup put this on the side, let it rain and clear it out. Is that on there? They just stole like everybody's dance. It's crazy. And I just think it's stupid. Like, it really is. Like, why are you building stuff? Why? Like, I get it now. Like, in the beginning I didn't get it, but I get it now. But it's just dumb. Like, and childish. It's too colorful. I'd rather play Rules of Survival. Okay. Let me know if you were triggered by anything that I said, or if you didn't agree with something that I said. I want to know your opinion. Let me know. Let's discuss. Don't at me.